You're standing on the hard shoulder with your phone pressed to your ear, hazard lights flashing behind you. The front of your car is folded in, airbags spent. The other driver is talking to the police a few meters away. You've had breakdown and recovery cover for 8 years. It renews automatically. You barely think about it. The claims handler tells you not to worry. A recovery truck has been dispatched. They'll take you and the vehicle somewhere safe. You repeat that to yourself while the wind from passing traffic shakes the car. 10 minutes later, a tow truck slows in front of you. It pauses. Then it drives past. You watch the brake lights disappear up the road. You assume it's turning around. It doesn't. You call back immediately. Calm at first. You give your location again. The motorway, the junction number, the registration. There's a pause on the line. I'm just checking something. That's when the calm thins. You're told the truck attended, but couldn't proceed. The call-out was logged under roadside assistance, not accident recovery. The system shows you requested help for a breakdown. You look at the front of your car. It isn't a breakdown. You explain that. You say the word collision. You say the police are here. You say the vehicle isn't drivable. Another pause. They tell you accident recovery needs separate authorization. It's handled differently. It may not be included under your current level of cover. May not. The lorry that just passed you was the assistance you believed you had. You're asked whether you upgraded to comprehensive recovery at your last renewal, whether you added onward travel, whether you selected accident assistance or just mechanical failure. You picture the renewal email, the green tick. Auto-renewed successfully. You didn't change anything. You assumed nothing needed changing. Traffic keeps moving. A police officer asks if your recovery is on its way. You nod automatically. On the phone, the voice shifts tone. If it's an accident, you'll need to arrange recovery through your motor insurer. We can't proceed under this policy. You thought that call had already been made. You're given another number to ring. You're told to contact your car insurance claims team. They'll assess the incident before confirming recovery. It may take time. Time. You look at the crumpled bonnet again. Another tow truck passes in the inside lane, not slowing. You call your motor insurer. Different hold music. Different questions. Was the other driver at fault? Is the vehicle obstructing traffic? Is it safe where it is? You answer everything. They tell you a truck can be sent once the incident is logged formally. An engineer may need to review the damage before transport is authorized. You're still on the shoulder. You thought paying for breakdown cover meant that part was handled. That once you made the first call, the road wasn't your responsibility anymore. But the responsibility is back in your hands. The police officer says you may need to arrange a private tow if it isn't cleared soon. For safety. Private. Another recovery vehicle approaches. It slows this time. The driver rolls down his window. Are you waiting on someone? You look at your phone. At the 2 open calls. At the flashing hazards reflected in his windscreen. I thought I was, you say. He nods once, then pulls away. The wind lifts grit against your legs. Traffic keeps streaming past. The hazard lights blink into the dusk. You stand there, phone still warm in your hand, watching the road where help was supposed to appear.